Hey guys, in this video I want to show you my Alpine backpacking kit. But this kit is not what I recommend everyone to use in the mountains. I'm a photographer, blogger and gear tester, so this is just an impression what I'm carrying around. This time there's a lot of snow, so I'm using a pulka. This is a sled for the heavy backpack. Total weight is 46 kilograms. In the top part of my backpack I have got sunglasses, extra dark, a compass, a waterproof map from this area I'm in, I'm using sunscreen, in this waterproof bag I'm carrying around my Canon camera, but most of the time I'm wearing it with a sling around my neck. In a high visible waterproof bag I have got my spare batteries, so they are easy to find even if light is switched off or there are bad light conditions. I also carry around this inflatable pillow, some toilet paper, also packed waterproof. And also this cool light for inside the tent or snow cave. Basic first aid kit, a headlamp, soap and toothbrush, also a lightweight towel, and here a SteriPen, it's a UV water disinfection device. Easy to reach, on the top of my backpack I have got the first half rope, in this case 60 meters. On the outside of my backpack, easy to reach, I have got my climbing helmet, already with the headlamp attached to it. In this case, also on the outside of my backpack, I have got my Hilleberg Unna. It's a one-man tent. Relatively easy to reach are my ice tools, in this case Petzl Quark. I've brought 2 of them since I wanted to do some ice climbing. Of course with a pick protection, so they stay sharp and they will not damage my tent or backpack. Here I have got my crampons, also attached to the outside of the backpack. So it's easy to change from skis to crampons. Also on the outside of the backpack I have got this little filter, it's a Katadyn B3. On the top of my backpack I have got this lightweight softshell jacket by Black Diamond. The bag from my ski skins. Here is a blue bag with some climbing stuff, some extra carabiners for carrying around ice screws, my second half rope, in this case also 60 meters. Here's some protection for rock climbing, and inside this blue bag I've got my climbing harness, also with some protection for rock climbing, lots of carabiners, extenders, accessory cord, everything you need for ice and rock climbing. And there all this stuff is quite heavy, so it adds a lot of weight to my backpack. Oh, did I say everything? No, that's not even everything. Yeah, there are ice screws. For ice climbing you need ice screws, so I brought, I'm not sure, but I think 12 or 14 of them. For safety and for digging my snow hole, I brought a avalanche shovel. In this case it is made out of 2 pieces. You just stick them together and you've got one lightweight shovel. And also this nice thing to measure the depth of the snow or to find people covered in snow. Also a snow saw. This is cool to saw harder snow. This is a lightweight insulation jacket. My inflatable sleeping mat, Expat Synmat 7. Those are windstopper booties. They are to keep my feet warm when I'm inside the tent or in my snow cave. This is my ration bag, so inside here I have all my food stuff. For example, this cooking pot. Inside there I've got my small lightweight gas stove and 1 meal. The warm meals I'm using are track and eat meals, since they are light and easy to make, and also some nuts. You can see this is my self-made day ration, so I just wrapped it with some tape. Also made some lightweight cereals with milk powder and cereals. Here I've got a bag with some liners, spare socks and spare underwear. On the bottom of my big backpack I've got my sleeping bag, in this case a Carinthia G350, so it's quite warm. On the back of my backpack I've got a solar panel by Sunnyback. First side pocket I have got my Gore-Tex gloves. Second B3 filter, in this case the 3-liter version. And a folder cup for warm tea or for mixing isotonic drinks. My Gore-Tex pants, also in the side pocket because it's easy to reach. 1.5 liter Nalgene. On the other side, in my side pocket I have got my litter bag. It's bright orange, so it's easy to see and it's robust. And of course also enough fuel for my gas stove. That's it. That was in my backpack. Now I want to show you what I have on my body. I've got my base layer, in this case net shirt, looks a bit weird. My neck knife, a thin fleece jacket and my Gore-Tex jacket. Fast drying softshell pants from Helicontax and of course big mountaineering boots, which I can use for crampons. In my pants I've got this escaper cap from Arc'teryx, this windproof beanie. I've also got one thin merino liner for wearing it under the helmet when I don't need it to be windproof. Also my pants is emergency headlamp, always in reach, a lighter, a temp from Garmin, it's a temperature sensor, and a spoon. Okay, that's it. I will link the adventure vlog where I made this video in the description. That was my place for 2 nights. So thank you, I'm German. Thanks for watching, bye.